So when you first walk into my room, this is what you see. I just have a closet here. It takes up the whole wall, and it's missing a door on one side. I just have this little girl boss sign here and a little stool that has my bag on it. But yeah, the closet just takes up the whole one wall. I have some pictures on it, just a fan. Then I have a little TV table over there. Then the window, I just have some pictures and decorations and stuff on my windowsill. And coming over here, it's where my bed is. So I just have this little table with my lamp and some pictures and books. And then, so this is my bed. It's just like a double-sized bed with this bedding from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like travel themed, so there's that. And then in front of it, I have this little white rug. Then beside my bed is my desk. So I just have my laptop on there and then some pictures and stuff, my desk chair, and then I have a mirror, and then on this side is the door to the bathroom because my room has a bathroom off of it. Beside the door, I just have this black chair that has a bunch of stuff thrown on it. Everyone knows the chair. And then on the back of my door, I just have some coats.